What is somebody like me going to do against the big system? If it wasn't for legal aid, where are we going to go?
There is no society that can have equal justice for all without a functioning legal aid, delivering necessary legal services for people who most need it. Low-income and vulnerable people who otherwise would not receive legal assistance or access to the justice system and get the kind of relief they deserve. Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid is a full-service law firm based in Minneapolis, but we also have offices in St. Cloud and Willmar.
We have 7 clinics in Minneapolis spread throughout the city that are closer to where our clients live and work, and they can go see us there.
The community clinic model is really unique in that it allows me as an advocate to meet the person where they feel most comfortable, where they feel seen as a human being.
Once we got in touch with legal aid, they really helped us. It kind of took a lot of weight off of us instead of trying to navigate and find out how do we get through this process ourselves.
I'm going to go to their home, sit in their living room, and say, this is going to be okay.
Our service area extends not only Hennepin County, but out to the west and central part of the state.
Being in a rural area doesn't change the law for you. Being in an isolated area does not mean that you should be treated differently. Someone who lives in rural Lyon County should have the same access as someone who is in a big city where they can just hop on the bus and go be in front of a judge.
Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid is the only unrestricted legal aid program with the full range of legal services available. The Minnesota Disability Law Center is one of our primary areas of work, and the Disability Law Center is the protection and advocacy program for the state of Minnesota.
We're representing people with disabilities. We're having an impact one-on-one, and we're also having an impact at a statewide level.
Once you get the legal help, it was like, finally somebody can help you.
The Youth Law Project is one of many units within legal aid. When you are meeting with these kids, they've gone through a lot of trauma in their lives, and a lot of adults has not listened to them. We bring hope to these kids.
We are often the only benefits attorneys available. I say that with a lot of both humility and pride. There are no big law firms that want to take the my food stamps got calculated incorrectly, or frankly, the case of my client whose social security number appears to be invalid. We are the only ones who do this kind of work, and we do it really well.
Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid, many years ago, were very far-sighted in realizing that if we accepted certain kinds of federal funding, we would not have the flexibility and the capability to represent our clients in the fullest manner. We can and do represent undocumented people, pursue class action litigation, go to the legislature.
One of the great benefits of our agency is we get to see what problems are facing low-income families on the ground. And we take that knowledge, and it doesn't just stop in an individual case. We can bring it to the legislature or to a court case and try to pass laws or make an impact statewide.
One stroke of the pen here can affect 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 low-income Minnesotans and really make a difference in their lives.
It is possible to actually create a return on investment calculation. The individuals that we're serving and the communities we're serving are actually strengthened. And you've got better taxpayers, better employers, better residents, communities everywhere get great benefit from seeing legal aid work in their community.
I'm very grateful for legal aid because they saved my sanity, put it like that. You saved my home.
Knowing that I had legal aid in my corner helped me know that I wasn't alone, that my story mattered, that I mattered.
When you have somebody else with 2 or 3 torches, they can help raise that village. And that legal aid clinic is some of the power. We can take back some of the things we lost. We can overcome those obstacles, and that feels good.